Friends, in this lecture we are going to discuss about the numerical on amplitude modulation. This numerical is based on the power relation of amplitude modulation. So let's see the example. A 400 watt carrier is modulated to a depth of 80%. Calculate the total power in the modulated wave. So write down the given data, that is 400 watt carrier, that is PC carrier power is equal to 400 watt. Then depth of modulation 80%, that is nothing but m is equal to 0.8, and we have to find out the value of total power. So the total power of modulated wave is given as Pt is equal to Pc into bracket 1 plus m square by 2. Put the values, that is Pc is equal to 400, then 1 plus m is equal to 0.8 bracket square upon 2. So let's solve. So the square of 0.8 is 0.64, that is 400 into 1 plus 0.64 divided by 2. So 0.64 divided by 2, that is 0.32. 400 into 1 plus 0.32. Then 400 into 0.32 plus 1, that is 1.32, and after multiplying the 1.32 into 400, we are getting the value is 528 watts. So this is the total power of modulated wave, and this is the answer of the given example. If you like the videos, then share the videos and subscribe the channel. Thank you.